Anna, what you get?
Hula hoop and a Tinkerbell thing.
Wow. Very cool. Come on in.
Oh. Mommy, I didn't think I got a hula hoop. But look,
you did.
Pink, white, and blue.
Rosie sit. Rosie sit.
Pink, purple, white, and blue, Mommy.
Oh my goodness. Pink, purple, white, and blue.
Eddie, what did you get?
Wow, Rosie's going through your hula.
Rose. I got a hula hoop.
Wow.
Oh, this one's filled with water.
Maybe.
And then I got... This one's filled with water just like my old one.
Nice.
Because my other one was losing all its paper.
Yeah, so maybe we can let Rosie play with the old one.
That'd be fine.
Stone in 30
Now
minutes.
I'll let her. Now it's
Pepper cracker.
time for new
There's
hula.
the bows on here.
We'll have to get those away.
Rosie!
Mommy, if we what about those yesterday?
Stop it!
Hey, Rosie.
Well,